The physiological response of energy healing promotes healing and balancing, harmonizing, and regulating of the immune system. Energy medicine treatment commences and a relaxation response within the body is triggered. When the body is relaxed, endorphins or feel-good hormones are also triggered and then released into the three brains, the head, the heart, and the gut brain. When the body is relaxed, the endorphin hormones relax muscles as well. Relaxed muscles increase circulation throughout the body, creating more space between cells for fluids to naturally flow. Increased circulation increases blood oxygen levels throughout the entire body. Increased blood flow and circulation enable nutrients to be absorbed and utilized in a higher capacity. When nutrients are absorbed properly, overall gut health and digestion improve. With improved absorption of nutrition and digestion, hormones can now balance and support the core fundamental, foundational constitution of the body. Toxins are detoxed from the body. Regeneration of healthy cells replace old and unhealthy cells. Relaxation of the body promotes healing and balancing of the body-mind. The immune system is regulated when the physiology of the body is balanced and stabilized. A balanced and relaxed body-mind stabilizes the immune system, which impacts and affects the body, mind, spirit, emotions, and energies of the body's energy systems and energy fields supporting self-healing.